Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about garbage collection in Java. What is garbage? We can say in Java, garbage means unreferenced objects. What is garbage collection? You can say garbage collection is a process of reclaiming the runtime unused memory automatically. In other words, it is the way to destroy the unused objects. To achieve garbage collection, in C language, we were using the function that is free function. In C++, you can use the delete function. But in Java, it is performed automatically. So we can say that Java provides the better memory management. How we can do the unreferenced object? So basically there are three ways to unreference an object. The first way, that is, you can say by nulling the reference. It means you can create the object by calling, for example, cricketer C equal to new cricketer. And suppose if you assign C equal to null, then you can say this C is eligible for the garbage collection. Another way to achieve the unreferenced object is what? That is by assigning a reference to another. For example, if you create the one instance that is cricketer C1 equal to new cricketer, and you create the new instance that is C2 equal to new cricketer, now you are assigning C2 into C1, then C1 will be eligible for the garbage collection. Another way to unreference an object is by anonymous object. You can call directly using the constructor that is new cricketer. Let me give the practical example for the same. I have one class and that class is cricketer. Here in cricketer class, I am writing one constructor, and here inside the constructor, I am putting simple message that object is created. It means whenever user call the constructor, I will get the message that is object is created. Now I want to write one more class, and that is, you can say, cricketer demo. Here you can write public static void main. Here you can create an instance that is cricketer C equal to new cricketer. So you can say that you will get the message that is object is created. Let me compile this particular program, that is Java C cricketer demo.java, and you can run Java cricketer demo, and you will get the message that the object is created. Now I want to unreference this particular object. How we can do this? Very simple. The first way is by assigning a null. So you can write C equal to null. You can say this is the first way by assigning a null. This object C is unreferenced. So you can say whenever you assign a null, this object is eligible for the garbage collection. But what if I want to execute just before the garbage is collected by the garbage collector? So if you want to do some cleanup processing, then you can use the function of object class, and that is finalize function. So what is finalize method? You can say it is invoked each time before the object is garbage collected. This method can be used to perform the cleanup processing. So just before the object is garbage collected, whenever you want to call the function, you can call the function that is finalize method. This is written inside the object class as a protected void finalize. So here in my program, I can implement the method that is protected void finalize. So this is the overriding method of the object class. Here I can just put the message that object is destroyed. Now you can save this and you can compile your particular program over here, and whenever you run this, you will just get the message that is object is created. Why I am not getting the message object is destroyed? Because garbage collection is the automated process and JVM is doing the same. So I am not getting the message over here that is object is destroyed. So if you want to force the JVM to do the garbage collection, it is automatical process. But if you want to do the force to the JVM, then you can call the function that is a system.gc. What is GC? GC is the function which is declared in a system and runtime classes, which is a static method. So you can call directly, which is used to call the finalize function just before the object is destroyed. So you can save this, and here you can just compile and run your program. You will get the message that the object is destroyed. It means finalize is the function which is used just before the object is destroyed, and to do the cleanup processing you can use the finalize function. Now I am moving towards the second option, that is by assigning a reference to another. So how we can achieve this? So it is very simple. You can create an instance that is cricketer C1 equal to new cricketer. So your object will be created. Here you can create one more instance, that is C2 equal to new cricketer. So your another object will be created. Now you are writing C1 equal to C2. It means what? Your C2 will be assigned to your C1 object. So earlier C1 instance that was created earlier, it will be, that is destroyed. So you can say second way is by assigning reference to another. Now you can save this, you can compile this particular code and you can run this. You will get the message that there are 3 objects is created and 2 objects are destroyed. Why 2 objects are destroyed? Because C1 equal to C2, it means C2 is assigned to C1 object. So C2 object is still there, C1 is destroyed, C is destroyed. So 2 objects are destroyed and 3 objects are created. Now, is there any other way to destroy the object, to unreference the object? Yes, you can call anonymously. For example, new cricketer. So you can say the third way to unreference an object is by anonymous object. So whenever you call anonymously, your object will be destroyed. You can save this and you can compile and run. Now your 4 object will be created. Right, see here 1 2 3 4 objects are created, and here I'm getting the message that is object is destroyed, that is 3 times. Why? Because I'm unreferencing the object using 3 different ways. One, by assigning a null, second by assigning a reference, and third by calling the anonymous object. You can write the finalize method for the cleanup the processing just before the object is garbage collected, and you can call the system.gc function which is forced to the garbage collector to do the garbage collection. So we can say finalize is the function which is used to invoke each time before the object is garbage collected, and this can be used to perform the cleanup processing. This method is defined in object class as protected void finalize, and GC method we can say it is used to invoke the garbage collector to perform the cleanup processing, and this GC is found in the system and runtime classes. So it is a static method which is used to call the finalize before destroying the object. So this is the example to call the system.gc. There are 3 ways to destroy an object in Java. Garbage collection is the automatic process done by the garbage collector in Java. To force this, you can call the function system.gc. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.